Hello everyone, this is David with Wechat machine. We are here in China at the factory taking a closer look to the standard ATC entry-level machine. We're going to take a look at some of the features. This machine, like we explained before, it comes with a powerful 9 kilowatt spindle. Also comes with 1500 watt servo drivers in all axes. We have these grease traps here all through the machine to avoid any oil and lubrication to drop onto the material. The capacity is for 8 tool change. And the vacuum table is divided, in this case it's a 4x8, so it's divided into 4 sections. They are controlled electronically. The new vacuum table design comes in a one-piece table for better distribution of the vacuum. And also it comes with this cross design to allow the vacuum to come underneath, also for better distribution of the vacuum. It comes with the grease, automatic greasing system. And here we have the cabinet with all the controls. From here we control each individual vacuum section. And from here we can start and stop the vacuum pump. And from here we have the pins for alignment and go up and down. Thank you for watching.